How to multi-snap on Snapchat on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now at the right corner, you're going to find different icons. Click on this plus icon. You'll get this pop-up, My Camera, and under that you're going to find different options. Scrolling down, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of Director Mode. Now I can shoot the video. You have just shoot the video. You can click on Preview. Now click on this plus icon to again multi-snap. Click the snap or shoot the video. Click on Preview. So this way you can easily multi-snap on Snapchat. Once you are done, you can click on Preview. Then you can send it. Well, this is how you can easily multi-snap on Snapchat on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.